now 8 locations. We started in 2009 with the investment of $10,000. Now is almost with the properties and all, we are $3.5 million in investment. Yeah, we started moving out of the offset almost 6 years back. Same time we closed down that offset plant. We sold all the machines, Heidelberg and all offset related machines, and we started purely into digital printing. Yeah, so now businesses are more demanding than before. Everyone need very quick job. There are a lot of job is now more towards like it's not just a printing. They need something extra on that on top, like for example UV coating or maybe raised UV spot die cutting, gold foil, workcode printing. So now it's not only just related to only printing. Now it's more than the printing. So they require a lot of other finishing options than before, and plus more demanding, more they need job very quick and in same day turnaround. Design the software the way we wanted, right, with our concept. So we tried Xerox, we tried other 2 companies in Canada, and then we found you in Chicago exhibition, and then we started collaborating each other for last almost 7 years.
Yes.
And we developed that software, and it took time almost 3 years to develop the software. And this, after that software, we are now more streamlined, more easy to like go through all the jobs, take orders. People can put order online. So, and plus the both the customer B2B and B2C. Yeah, impact is like more faster, more not only faster. It's not only about the faster, but more streamlined to our business, right? We wanted something which is more smoother experience for all of our for Print2Go customers, right? Where if they walk into store, they go online, they will feel same environment, right? They will feel it's very smooth transaction when they put order online or maybe they come to the store. Even for the employee also who are working there, all associates, for them also it's very easy to locate the product, and there are a lot of variables, right, in website where we have a lot of options and variable where it's more smoother and faster than before, and we can say around 70 to 75% error free, which we were having before, right? And every day we learn, and every day we talk to you with your staff to make more improvement and add more tools and modules, right? Which we can give more product option to our customers, Print2Go customers.